afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. John Belkowitz. Just getting back from an awesome trip with my family in New Jersey. We've got some questions that are lined up. Ding! David, thank you for another wonderful question. DUIC3. I don't think the log cabin style printing is very viable. Vial technology will have continuous forming capabilities, will allow to pour squared up walls. In order to pump a liquid that must immediately stand up inside the form, the mix will need to be a stiff grout kept in a liquefaction until released into the mold. That's the real mix design challenge. How can you modify a slump grout to liquefy under some agitation deployable within a boom pump? Whew. David, while I appreciate your vision, I do like the idea of it, but I don't mind this log cabin style or this beaded type print. We get this successive adhesion between the different lifts. I think it has a nice look to it. It's easy to print. And then we can always go on, over it afterwards with a cement-based acrylic or cement-based, what's that called? That you put on houses?
Well,
cement or acrylic based stucco. So you can come back over it with the stucco to beautify or pretty it up. But I really don't mind this. I actually like this look a lot. Especially how consistent it is. It shows you that you're actually printing and not just precasting, which, you know, if you had a smooth wall, you really could differentiate it. You wouldn't be able to differentiate it from standard concrete manufacturing versus this. So I kind of like this, man. As it stands for, you know, that change the viscosity of the mix, that's actually it's not very hard to do. There's a lot of products out there called viscosity modifying additives. I think there's one by BASF called VMAR, and it's either a xanthan gum or a dextrose. There's others by Sika and GCP and all these. There's also colloidal silica based viscosity modifying admixtures, and the great thing about these things is when you impart energy on it, it has this thixotropic behavior or a shear thinning effect with time. But when you take that energy away, it stiffens back up, and I think that's what you're talking about. And yeah, with a boom pump you could make that happen. So anyway, hopefully this answers your question. Thanks again, David. You are awesome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Go Concrete!